Hi, Mark.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes. When?
Is 11:30 okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 11:30.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay. How about 12:30?
Okay. Where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay. I'll meet you there.
Hi, Mark. What are you planning to do today? Would you like to have lunch with me? Is 11:30 okay? I said 11:30. Okay. How about 12:30? How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant? It's on 7th Street.
Hi. I'm not sure yet. Yes. When? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please? Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later? Okay. Where? Oh, where is that? Okay. I'll meet you there.